Hello guys, in this video I will show you something very interesting. I am sure you will enjoy this. It's a traditional way of going to the agricultural field site and cleaning the road that is lead to the agriculture, and we very 4 to 5 times we usually go and clean the road, and even today we are going, some of us, or maybe more than 100 group of people, and we have divided into different groups, and keep tuning in, and I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. So maybe it will take around 2 hours to reach to our spot. So hope you guys enjoy this. Stay tuned. So this is the field. Beautiful the view. One group of people will be here. So we have to carry water for maybe 1 kilometer since there's no water nearby. See, both of us getting water. See this body. And I'm so tired. Hello. So you guys. So we will be resting here for today. Now maybe we are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, maybe 15 or 16. Now some are yet to come. So so yeah, we are going to start from now. So he's taking wood, different fire. So we are using a kind of magician here, and after 5-6 days the grass will just decay by itself. So we usually used to cut with taho and different kind of tools, but since now it's advanced and we are doing with magician here, so there's a back. No. Okay. Gusto polo na.
Ya boleh ya.
So before it usually, we usually use our strength and get tired, but now it's kind of easy work for us. So finally it's done. So we are here to carry water since water is near, so we have to carry from here. So he is up here to block the jackfruit, and I don't know whether we are going to find the. It's not that rip, so he'll be climbing down now. So you're going to enjoy watching him. Stay tuned. Such a huge guy climbing with that tree, small tree. I hope he won't stuck here. Okay. Xuống đây. Vậy đi Diệu. Sắp chừng đi nhỉ. Sắp chừng có mà chưa. Lấy tôi. Finally, thank God. Say thank you to Jesus. So we are so unlucky today. So we have to go carrying this water. So let's begin our story. See, I'm sweating all over my body.
Đâu mà đây thì nóng mới ngon mà
Ngầu đâu chứ?
nó tàu ba sao hay này đâu có ngon.
Tôi buồn lắm hả?
Bố hề đâu.
So I think he's feeling shy. Ngầu lắm.
Những mày học răng à?
Không biết ai ăn luôn.
Không biết ai ăn.
Ini ngi ah mai ya.
Ayo ni wan ko toro hayo. Nah, ko akan ga.
Phật chừng nào mà lại mà em lấy nó ngang chứ.
Mấy ai ăn luôn. Trời nước nhân rồi tao.
Mình cả như
rồi hay không?
Ơi à cha mau mới đừng cho.
sao sao rồi chăng?
Ở lại bây giờ.
Tờ hai bằng.
Nước mèo đâu đây? Nước mèo đâu đây?
Ngon không? Tự nhiên ăn đâu? Tự nhiên apa?
Ơi. Lâu này một cái bờ.
Sembalik ngapain lu gimanaมึงlah. Mana ibu?
Ini hak ulam hal.
Mai hau punya mia ko lah kaju. Suni gue kalau nyudah. Dan ko banyak legak majang hau ya.
Mấy ông bây giờ lại mấy đây. Trời biết rồi.
Bạn em rồi.
So guys, we are going back now, and sorry to say that I couldn't take a film much of the work that we do, since I was also engaged and busy with my work. So now we are going back. See the scenery. It's not an easy work, but I enjoy it a lot. So something interesting is life. And I'm tired, but it's interesting to work together with people, with friends. Kasih spicy dah. Ini dah kia. Tak kaya ni. Tak kaya. So I think he's getting nervous. Nah. Oi. Yo. Ayo. Oi, oi. Jom. Nhau ta. Oh. Jom hai. Cây kiếm ơi, kiếm ơi. Asing angin. So they are also coming back after their work.
Welcome to my channel.
Right, Ruby. Anjing lau channel deh. Kalau lang kau thon lebih tak apa bi.